Hello there, I am Praveen Titus, Content Manager at IamMostWanted.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about how Nanacast can help you in your online business. The Nanacast business automation tool has been recommended by online marketers of all kinds. There could be a good reason for that. Setting up an online business could prove to be a significant challenge since you could be dealing with customers from around the world. You need to market yourself effectively to them and take into consideration their user trends, the intense competition from rival businesses, and the logistical nightmare of processing the subscriptions, sales, including security of payment gateways, and after-sales support. Unless these things are bulletproof, you just cannot expect to have repeat customers and build reputation. Now you really need Nanacast because you really need a great tool, a comprehensive and powerful sales and marketing automation, e-commerce, and subscriber or affiliate management system, which is exactly what Nanacast is. It is able to provide you with what you are looking for in terms of running the operational side of your business and more. Nanacast is being acknowledged by many of its users to be the most powerful or comprehensive premium content delivery, sales automation, and subscriber or affiliate management system around. Such an affirmation doesn't come without the product having actually touched and positively surprised the hearts of many small and large internet marketers out there. Now let's look at Nanacast's mammoth feature list. The list of features in Nanacast is exhaustive and covers the areas of e-commerce automation, membership sites, digital file dripping, sales funnels and upsell, content for on-demand print, CRM and email integration, affiliate management, state-of-the-art coupon system, quality podcasting, etc. Nanacast also provides massive customization opportunities. Now let's look at the seamless integration with other tools. Nanacast offers this big advantage in that it integrates with all the major email list and third-party postcard autoresponders such as Aweber, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, SendPepper, Autoresponse Plus, iContact, Constant Contact, and Analytic Approach. Membership site creation and safe premium content delivery are also provided effectively by Nanacast. Now here are some of the major services provided by Nanacast. Now the solutions we've mentioned here aren't exhaustive by any means, but we're just going to take you through a few of the services of three of Nanacast's primary areas of expertise. Now let's look at sales funnel automation. For this, Nanacast deals with thank you pages, upsell and downsell pages customizable with HTML, auto-join affiliate and automated affiliate link delivery, order page and downsell upsell split testing, on-demand physical, digital, print membership offers, integration with upsell.com, and many other services within this field. Now let's look at e-commerce automation. Here Nanacast deals with safe credit card checkout page which is customizable with HTML, payment automation whether for single, multi or trial based or recurring, trial and optional trial offer, continuity as well as micro continuity automation, and many other solutions. For membership site management, Nanacast deals with CNAME support for udomain.com, subdomain.yourdomain.com cloaking, optional member log WordPress plugin, turning existing website or blog into a membership site instantly, customized individual logins for membership, general purpose login, billing management, access to subscribers for quick updates on billing info and cancellations, automatic password generation or customized password creation, and many other features. Now membership site management, e-commerce automation, and sales funnel automation are just three of the various fields Nanacast has the expertise in. Now, summing up, the comprehensiveness of Nanacast is easily a good enough reason for you to sign up. Check out the free trial for starters. Be sure you'll be more than impressed. To know more and to get the best bonus out of Nanacast, please click the link below. I'll see you next time.